Hi all, welcome to Rhythm of Flavors. Today I will share with you Roti Poha from leftover Phulkas or Paratha. Ingredients list is also available in the description box below. To start with, take 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, add about half tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera, a quick stir, add 1 to 2 chopped green chilies and add 1 medium onion sliced. Stir fry the onion until they turn brown. When onion is halfway done, add half teaspoon ginger grated, 1 tablespoon garlic paste. Continue to stir the ingredients. Time to add the masala powder. Add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon chilli powder or as per taste, salt to taste, and half teaspoon garam masala powder. Fry the masala well. Take your leftover rotis and cut or tear into small pieces. Now toss all the ingredients so that the masalas coat the rotis well. Remember not to fry for too long, else the rotis will become hard. Let's end our dish with lots of peanut, which of course is optional, and a handful of freshly chopped coriander leaves. A quick toss. You can also add a tablespoon of lemon juice to give a tangy taste. Serve this unique dish hot right out of the tawa to enjoy the light crunchy texture. Thank you for watching. Like if you liked it. Comments are always welcome. It would be nice if you spread the word and subscribe for more such recipes.